Welcome to the world of interactive reading and learning, presented to you by Clever Fox Publishing, India's leading hybrid book publisher. Almost a decade ago, it was believed that soon eBooks will replace print books. But on the contrary, print books are still dominant in the market, and the reason behind this is that people don't find the e-format to be interactive, or they can't scribble on the ebooks they like to do in print. Finally, we are ready with the concept of interactive ebooks, and this is going to be the future of book publishing. In this video, we go through some of the important features of the interactive Clever ebook. Multiple choice. Here are the multiple choice questions. You need to select any one from the given options and click on the Check Answer button. By doing this, it will automatically reflect whether the chosen option is correct or not. Also, you'll get the option to give an explanation for the correct answer. So now, eBooks can give an interactive experience for students like it is in e-learning models. Fill in the blanks. Coming up next is fill in the blanks type questions. You can type the answers in the yellow box with the validation option to cross-check the answers. Bullet point animation. This is a bullet point animation. We can use this for adding important key points. This feature resembles the animation option in PowerPoint, and we can use attractive animations for book chapter highlights, bullet points, etc. True or false? Now is the turn of the true or false questions. Just click on the option which feels to be true to you, and if it is correct, you'll get a green tick, and if wrong, then a red cross will appear. Highlight the text. We have seen a lot of book reviewers and students using highlighters to highlight important points of a book. The same facility is now available in the ebook. You just need to select the sentence and click on the highlight button. Color the images. In the past, a lot of our authors were not interested to release the coloring books in ebook version, as children can't paint or draw in them. But with this release, you can notice now children can also enjoy coloring the ebook like they do in the print books. Here we have used the mouse, but if you use the stylus pens, the painting experience will be enhanced. Draw and painting of images. Oh, sorry, I'm not good at drawing images, so I've just drawn a dummy image here. But this will be more useful for children, where they can draw the same kind of image of a butterfly on the left side and paint it. You can erase the painting as per your need and also delete the complete image. We have also provided some color choices and the pointer size options here. Video player. In the regular ebook, you have options to give links for video. Whereas in interactive Clever ebooks, you will get the option to play the video inside the ebook. Audio player. This enables the option to add audio files inside the books. Footnote. Here is a footnote, and we can see the footnote text after we click on the hyperlink. So now, just like the paperback, you can now insert notes in the ebooks. Multi-column. This can support multi-columns on a page, which is a challenge in general ebooks. Graphics animation. It's never been easier to immerse children in a book. Make the story come alive with animated charts, graphs, and images. A new feature made available by Clever Fox Publishing. Reading is simpler and more visual when animations can be played with a single click or even automatically. Check this responsive pie chart feature. We can use this feature for graphs also. Animations with sound effects such as drum and moving characters, making reading more fun and connected. The system is capable of working on the facial expression of the child too. Moreover, in the next version, readers will also be able to experience animations in virtual reality. Read aloud.
When they reached the lake.
We have used machine speaking voice for this, but human voiceover can also be used here, and the text highlight will follow the same accordingly. In an interactive ebook, you can take the advantage of both the ebook and the audiobook, which will highlight the text as per the audio. Checklist. Next up here is an example of a checklist. Once you complete any of these points or tasks, you can tick them to mark them as completed. Interactive content. Everyone loves twists in a well-written story. What if readers could decide which turn would a story take? A feature by Clever Fox Publishing allows readers to decide the story as it progresses. Now, book readers have the control to change the story of a book as they like it by choosing between presented options. Match the following. Last but not the least is match the following questions. We are providing you with two options to match the following. First, you can match the options in List 1 with List 2. Second, next option is you can drag and place the boxes as per the match and click on the Check Answer button. If it is correct, then it will show correct, else incorrect. Thank you for watching this video.